Greetings and welcome back to PinballHelp. This is Mike here. I'm working on this Bally Mystic center drop target bank. I was having problems with when the targets would get reset up. Look at that. They would get stuck and you could hit and they wouldn't fall down. And the reason was because they were falling out of this little channel here. So they would get stuck and you'd hit them and they wouldn't go down. I discovered that when I had replaced these targets with new ones, I had put this back plate on wrong. You see how it's on one side here and then on here it's on the inside. I had this thing going across the back completely. It seems like this would be a common problem that you would see because usually you don't see a single plate that's bolted on one side this way and then underneath here, but that's the way it is. It's at a slight angle and the targets are on these little tracks underneath here. So what happens is when you knock it down, it flips that switch. When it's reset up like that, this thing is still supposed to be in that channel. What was happening is when it got reset, that little nub would come out of the channel because I had this board a little too far away. So that was my problem. I think I got it fixed now. So we're going to put it back together and give it a try. And there you have it. So stay tuned for the next video in this series. Hopefully you're watching this on a playlist. There's a playlist for this from the beginning. Thanks for watching.